Hi, my name is Diana Ortega. I am a software developer, maybe a backend software developer. And I work with data scientists, and sometimes with using the same sentence the words Go and data science, they stop seeing me like this and start seeing me like that. But what if I told you that you can use the Go language and tools written in Go to build your data science project? And to show that, I'm going to use an example for a deep learning project, a small deep learning project. What is a deep learning project? From the point of view of the customer, it's a project where we have a lot of data from different formats in different sources. Sometimes it's a shared data. There is some kind of magic that happens in the middle. And at the end, you have beautiful graphs and some cool predictions. All of this magic happens thanks to the developer and the data scientist. And right now, I'm going to tell you how Go language can help us. The first thing to do is to normalize the data to make it exploitable. Normally, we create pipelines. A pipeline is a set of bricks of code to transform data. We can use, for example, pachyderm. Pachyderm is a tool written in Go that helps us to write pipelines. It runs over Kubernetes, and each brick is Dockerized, which means that you can use your preferred language for creating the code, even Go. Once you have normalized your data, you can start thinking about creating your prediction model, for example. You can use one of the fashionable tools, for example, TensorFlow or MXNet. And once you have your prediction model, you can use this model to make predictions for new data using Go libraries. And you can generate the beautiful graphs and make some maths over data using GNOME. I'm going to talk about it later. In the middle of the process, it might be useful to test some hypotheses before implementing, or just to make some interactive code. That's where notebooks are useful. A notebook is a tool that allows us to write code like if we were in a command line. At the end, you can save the code and share with others. Thanks to gopher nodes, we can use Go language with the most popular notebooks. GNOME is a set of libraries that allow us to do some maths over data. For example, make some linear algebra, make some statistics or probabilities, and plot the beautiful graphs. Well, if you have any further question, you can go to gopherdata.io, where you can find resources for Go and data, and some useful information for Go for data science. Thank you.